Let's see how to clean Windows 10 C drive. There are so many folders that I don't know which folders to delete. Let's see how to delete unnecessary folders from your C drive. Go to the settings. Please wait while your driver data is being analyzed. Now click on Temporary Files. This list contains a selection of temporary files that Windows recommends for deletion. Delete the folders that are automatically selected. The folder removal process takes some time. The selected files are automatically deleted. You can delete more files if you want. And you need to delete the previous Windows installation files. The folder removal process takes some time.